Hello, welcome to Math with Mr. Dobrescu, to the rescue. Let's continue with end of the year assessment review. Now, question 17. Question 17, they're asking us, look at this expression, negative 20 minus 8 divided by 4, which is an equivalent expression. Okay, equivalent again means same, right? Same. Which expression is the same with this? Equivalent, the same. Okay, so here we have negative 5 plus 8, negative 5 minus 8, negative 5 plus 2, negative 5 minus 2. Okay, and here we have this expression, negative 20 minus 8 divided by 4. How do you solve this problem? First of all, we are going to solve negative 20 minus 8 divided by 4. Let's see what we get if we solve this. Okay, let's see what we get. And then we also have to solve these multiple choice answers, combine them and get an answer. Okay, get a number. Okay, let's look here at the top. So let's take care of the top first. Negative 20 minus 8. Okay, negative 20 minus 8. How much would be negative 20 minus 8? And remember, this is the same thing as negative 20 plus negative 8. We are adding two negatives there at the top. So that's going to become still negative, right? So we're still going to have a negative there. And 20 now plus 8, negative 28. And then divided by 4. This is one way of doing this. And I'm going to show you another way of doing this. So I'm going to do this in two different ways. So this is negative 28 divided by 4. And that becomes negative. Which number times 4 equals 28? And that's negative 7. Okay, that's it. That's one way of doing this. Make sure you take care of the top, the numerator, right? Combine it, and then you get negative 28 divided by 4, negative 7. Another way of doing this problem, for example, if we have negative 20 minus 8 divided by 4, we can also break this down. We can decompose this into negative 20 over 4, okay, and then minus 8 over 4 is the same thing. Those are equivalent, right? And now probably it's a little bit easier for you because negative 20 divided by 4 becomes negative. Which number times 4 gives you 20? And that's negative 5. And the same thing here, 8 divided by 2 becomes negative 2, okay, because 2 times 4 is 8. And now negative 5 and minus 2 is the same thing as negative 5 plus negative 2. And if we add those two together, we also get negative 7. Now you choose. Either way, either you combine the numerator first and then get the answer, or you can decompose this as negative 20 divided by 4 minus 8 divided by 4 and get the answer. We still got the same answer, negative 7. Okay, you choose one of those methods and get the answer. And now let's see which one of these multiple choice answers are going to end up in negative 7 if we combine them together. Again here, opposite sign subtract. 8 minus 5 is 3. The number that is the biggest is 8, which is positive, so the final answer is 3. Here, the same thing. We're adding the opposite, right, which is negative 5 plus negative 8, and that becomes negative 13, right? And so far, we don't have negative 7, so A cannot be the answer, B cannot be the answer. Let's take a look at C. Negative 5 plus 2, the same thing, opposite sign subtract. 5 minus 2 is 3, and take the sign of the larger number, which is 5, negative 3, and this one is also not the answer. And finally, we have negative 5 minus 2, which is the same thing as negative 5 plus negative 2. And here, yes, we get negative 5 plus negative 2, negative 7. And this is the answer because it matches our answer right here. Negative 7, negative 7. That's it. Okay? That's how you do this type of problem. First of all, you solve, you get an answer, either method you want to choose, and then you also solve here in the multiple choice answers and get your answer, which is negative 7 and negative 7 matches. Thank you all so much for watching. Please stay tuned for the next video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. And of course, question number 18 is coming up. All the best to you.